Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you turn on or turn off your email notifications on your GoCardless account with your preferences. In order to do that, you just simply have to open your browser, and after opening the browser, you just simply have to open GoCardless.com, and after opening that, simply log into your account, and after that tap to this gear icon. And now after tapping to gear icon, select the user settings, and after selecting user setting, just scroll down to all the way bottom, and after that you will get to see this email notifications option. Now into here you will get two types of notification to enable or disable. Just simply select which kind of notification that you want to enable or disable according to your preference. You can choose it as you want. And after choosing suitable option for you, you just simply have to tap to this save changes option. Tap there and your new setting will be saved into here. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.